Orient Express board has rejected the offer made by the Tata Group-owned Indian Hotels. The board had sought more time to evaluate the proposal made by Indian Hotels. The initial response wasn't very favorable, and now we're going to understand that after a board meeting, they have rejected the offer. So this is the Orient Express board which has rejected the offer. They've issued a statement saying that the offer is not in the best interests of the company. That's the comment coming in from the Orient Express board. This probably may not come as a huge surprise because it was seen as a hostile bid, and obviously one wasn't expecting the Orient Express board to accept the offer. Let's take it across to Nisha Poddar, who joins in live on that big breaking story. Nisha, the offer has been rejected.
That's right, Sandeep. Huffing and puffing, I've just come back to see that Orient Express has rejected the bid, and this was something that Indian Hotels was looking forward to and was a little positive on this particular development, especially after Orient Express board had earlier said that they are going to look at it, and they have even hired legal as well as financial advisors for this particular deal. So that was one bit of favorable information that was coming in for Indian Hotels, which earlier thought that without any look at the particular offer that was given by Indian Hotels, they're going to really reject this particular bid. But finally, Orient Express has rejected the bid, and also remember, earlier bid of $60 for per share of Orient Express was something that was rejected about 5 years back. So nothing has really changed. This time it was $12.63. That's the kind of per share valuation that Indian Hotels had given, a 40% premium to the current market price, and that has got rejected. $1.86 billion. That was the quite a big amount for Indian Hotels, which was ready to pay for Orient Express, and that has got rejected. It's not coming in as a surprise given the history between the two companies and how Class A, Class B shares are bifurcated as far as Orient Express is concerned. The board is quite comfortable with a small amount of promoter shareholding, which has in the entire voting rights, and they do not want to partake with that, even though this company, Indian Hotels, has a minority stake in Orient Express. So at the moment, it is a big blow for Indian Hotels, and all the hopes of Ratan Tata has been dashed of getting this particular prestigious asset in the fold of Tata Group.
Right, Nisha, get your breath back, but this is a big story. $12.63 per share is the bid that was put in by Indian Hotels, and it's been rejected. Help us understand what's going to happen now. Is there a possibility that the Tata Group may revise the offer? Even if they do, will the Orient Express board consider it favorably given the hostile relations between the two groups?
That's a very pertinent point to look at, Sandeep, because remember, the reports do suggest that Indian Hotels has been very, very keen on this particular asset and has really not given up in the last 5 years. So there is a possibility of Indian Hotels really sweetening the offer. At least that's the sense that we have been getting from the sources who are familiar with this particular development. But then, after such a clear indication coming in from Orient Express, which says that this is not in the best interest of the company, I don't have much of a hope as far as this particular deal is concerned. But then, looking at the persistence that Tata Group has shown over the 5 years, it looks like there could be a sweetening of offer, going back to the drawing board, and also going towards Orient Express and extending another offer. So that could be in the works.